Are you struggling to find ways to make money downloading apps? Well, stop right now. Your search is over. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 real ways to make money just by downloading apps for free. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at the first website. Name of this website is AppGrind. So on this website, you're going to earn rewards playing with apps. Complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. Now they do have an app and it's available on Android phones and Apple phones. Now they do have a referral program. So when you refer somebody to this website, you're going to earn 30% of what your referrals earn. Now they have this feature called Karma Plays. So Karma Plays lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on AppGrind. Simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. Now they have achievement badges, so get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. So install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times. So you're going to earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer. So to get started on this website, go to appkarma.io. Now let me go to the second website. Okay, I'm at the next website. Name of this website is superpay.me. So it says here, online paid surveys for money. So everyone has an opinion. Smart people get paid for it. So cash out instantly from as little as $1. All you need to do to cash out is make $1, guys. Now it says here, make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offer, trials, games, videos, and more. Fast payment. So cash out via PayPal as little as $1. And also, you can get e-gift cards. Now they have top benefits, so it's free to join, and you receive sign-up bonus as soon as you set up your account. And they also have regular $1,000 cash contests. And they also have a video you can check out so you can learn more about how this website works. And they have a help section, so if you have any questions about how to make money on here, how much money can you earn, they have it just right here. You can check it out as soon as you come to this website. Alright guys, so to get started on this website, just go to superpay.me. Now let me go to the third and final website. Now I'm at the third and final website. The name of this website is Swagbucks. Swagbucks been around for a while, guys. It's a very popular website. You can make some good money on here. So all you got to do is put in your email address, password to sign up. And as soon as you sign up, you get $10 bonus. So you're going to get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. Here's how. Earn points, so shop online, play video games, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. And you're going to get free gift cards. So redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Now here's one testimony. This person right here said, my rewarding moment with Swagbucks is using the gift cards I earned to buy gifts for my child's Christmas and February birthday. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. Again, Swagbucks been around for a long time and you can make some good money on this website, so I suggest you check it out ASAP. So go to swagbucks.com, sign up to get started. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these sites, and share this video all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you. Please share this video, guys. Let's try to get this channel to 8,000 subscribers because I'm going to do a giveaway. So please share. Alright, that's it. Thanks again. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.